Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So right now, if you can see, we're at Vien Square here in Dalat. Now it's a very cool breeze. It is actually nearly lunchtime, but it's not as sunny normally on the lunch break. But we're here to do a bit of sightseeing. So Vien Square is actually one of the iconic places here in Dalat because they normally do festivals here. Now I don't know if we can enter inside, but just a very brief info for you guys. It's actually shaped as a lotus flower. Now I'll flick the camera over so you can perhaps see a frontal view, but on this area you'll see two types of images. One which is this, which looks like a lotus flower, and the other one, once I pan it across, it's going to be an artichoke. So I'll just go ahead and do that and we'll see. So as I have mentioned earlier, it does look like a lotus flower. Majority of the events here in Dalat, since this is one of their central square, they would hold it here, as it is the center of the city. Plus, there's a lake across. As you can see, there is a stage that's getting built because there's going to be a festival. But as for this one, it's really quite aesthetic. I do hope I'll be able to go inside and see what it does look like. It is quite near Go Dalat, which is one of their, I'm not sure if it's like supermarket or like an area wherein you can buy stuff, but as part of Google Maps, that's what it is. Now, this is a very good structure for you as it is very iconic. Across there's also Sinistar Dalat, that is their movie or cinema in here. So that is that. I do hope I'll be able to see the inside. Now if I pan it across, one thing that's really good is because there's a lot of flags here, so it's really nice to have a photo of this iconic place. Now if you can see that green structure, it is, well, based on my research, it is in the shape of an artichoke. So in terms of architecture and aesthetics, it really looks nice. But the thing that's very, very interesting about it is because it's actually a coffee shop. It's Highlands coffee. So we actually went inside and have a brief coffee to, just relax, because we did have a fair bit of walk going here. When, if you're in Dalat, I highly suggest, if you stay near the city, might as well just walk around and explore, because the breeze is really good. There's an abundance of trees, as you can see on the other side of the lake. So in the afternoon and in the morning, normally there would be people that are jogging. There's a decent number of people that keep themselves fit here in Dalat because of the very good and inviting weather. Now, as you can see, there's actually a stairs going down, which is where we're going to go next, which is Go Dalat. Now that is the coffee shop. Now of course this one I can pretty much take you with me because my husband's already there, of course. But I think at night it is more aesthetic because they turn on the lights. There are spotlights on on this structure. And one good thing about this here is because it is somewhat like a park. If you go way down, I just need to catch my breath because this is quite a massive walk. If you go down, there's another area wherein there's water fountains. I'll have you look into it a fair bit before I go inside. So they said this is an iconic place because it is in a structure of an artichoke. And then the other one over there is in the structure of a lotus flower, which they said represents Dalat in all ways. Other than flowers, those are the two, I think, things that represent them in terms of history. So I'll go here. I wouldn't go down anymore because the fountains aren't turned on. But I do see a couple of photos of the look at night, and it does have a spotlight. So those are the rows of fountains, and then those pillars are actually full of lights. Normally it's colored green, I think, so it's a combination of all other earthy colors. during the night, and then the fountains are turned on at night. And as I mentioned earlier, there's an abundance of trees, so the breeze is really, really good. Now, I'm going to go inside the coffee shop. My husband's already there, so we're on the second floor, but I think it's only on the third floor, and then the third floor and the top floor is actually, I think, for their electricity and air conditioning, but it is quite aesthetic. So if you would notice, here in the lot, it's more of a Highlands coffee, not really Starbucks. To be honest with you, once I got here, it's just once that I saw Starbucks. So let's go inside. And plus, Vietnamese coffee game is indeed great. So it is on the circular architecture, and it is quite cool inside because the ventilation is quite good. I wouldn't go through all the first floor, but I'll let you see the view on the second floor. So if you would want to have a very good view of the place, this is actually a very good way for you to just relax, and it is a good place to relax, and then plus of course there's a bit of a cool breeze. And my husband just came back. Say hi! So pretty much it is a good way for you to really just enjoy the view while you are here. So later perhaps you'll be able to go to Dalat, explore it for just a couple of bit. It is underground, so I don't know what to expect. And then we'll see what's on the cinemas in Sinistar Dalat. So perhaps that is it for me for this vlog. This is just a very quick walk around of the park here at the Vien Square. And as I said, on the second floor of this Highlands Coffee branch here, you can pretty much see the view. So there it is, and the flags, and plus very cool breeze. So that is it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Or just enjoy our coffee for the morning. Bye.